Took 3 minutes. What?
Hold it at your hand. I can take off from your hand. So you set it up. Take the cover off. Have you seen that in movies?
Yeah.
Like whenever like they'll take a drone and they'll like throw it.
It's not possible or it is possible?
I mean, this drone isn't meant for that.
Oh.
But there's like drones that are like, where that's how they do it. You gotta like throw them, you know, to get them going, and you can take off that way.
Dang.
But this one, you know, because it has the return to home feature, it has the what does it have to do? It has to
Not be thrown.
no, it has to be launched from a place to where you know you can use that feature to bring it home. Like if you throw it, where would it return to home?
Wherever you threw it at, the air, like first started flying by itself. Or that couldn't be its home.
I wouldn't throw it, man.
I wouldn't throw it either.
I wouldn't throw it. I mean, could you throw it? Who knows? Possibly. But yeah. Careful, delicate.
Washington has placed
Okay.
8,000 US-based troops on a heightened state of alert.
Oh, I gotta take out the case, huh? Or have you tried it with the case? Maybe with the case.
I don't know, man. Let's check it out. They set that right there.
Moscow denies planning to invade. Here's Barbara Claire-Usher.
1 minute time.
Another thing with your YouTube videos,
What?
you have to make sure you don't have music playing,
In the background?
because you can get a copyright strike.
That's true, man. I got a bunch of those already.
You already got copyright
But
strike?
how come people make videos and they still got like copyright stuff on there? What they do? Ask permission?
think, yeah.
Or you gotta pay? I'll pay $5 to put on a.
If you get permission, you're good. But I think it's like you can use up to like 30 seconds of an audio clip before it's considered copyright.
Dang.
They're like those people who do like the what do they call it? Like
The TV shows like Cobra Kai, they got that on YouTube right now.
I don't know. That's something completely different, I believe.
They got movies out right now.
I wonder if that's kind of different. But as far as like music goes, like the people who do like the music reviews,
Yeah, copywriters.
the reaction, like, they'll play it for like 30 seconds.
And then that's messed up. They block it.
No, they'll play it for 30 seconds and they'll pause it. And they'll play another 30 seconds of it.
You pause it
Uh-huh.
and it works.
Yeah, because it can't be like more than 30 seconds continuously.
Woohoo!
Yeah, but we might have to take the case off. No, hold on, let me see. That's it right there. Okay. But you get it to here.
Oh shit.
Yeah, we might as well. I don't want to damage this.
Yeah, I'm gonna pop that up.
It's a construction company?
Not for Redlands, Crosslands, some other kind of construction firm. But he was a good.
What do I do? X.
There's no wire connection. Oh yeah, turn on the aircraft. What do I turn on?